So I think China has a very, very important role to play as far as the APEC economies are concerned.
This will not only further promote the prosperity and development of the Asia-Pacific region, but also it aligns with the aspirations of people in other parts of the world.
China is advancing the idea of inclusion and a community together. The message is for peace.
The world will continue to benefit from China's growth. A prosperous Asia-Pacific is good for China. Likewise, a prosperous China will benefit Asia-Pacific countries.